Hold on. Okay, William. What do you got?
Is it Thomas?
Yep, and?
Diesel Ken Thomas?
And you're going to watch him go around the track.
Ow!
Okay. Let's see it. Oh no. Uh-oh, what happened, Caleb? Freddy. Freddy crashed. Okay. Here, William's fixing him. Alright, there he goes. Choo choo. No, let him go this way. Oh man. Alright, move your big feet, stinky feet. Oh, under the tunnel. Cool.
I love diesel too. Whoa. Can I see that?
Hold on. I'm taping and then you can watch it after you go turn the circle. After this lap. And then we'll let you watch it. Oh no! Dieselton was catching Freddy. He caught him and he started jumping him all around the track.
Watch out!
Oh no, a monster! Ooh, they narrowly escaped. Oh, but then there was a wipeout. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.